Hey guys, this is Jamie and Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to show you the design team project I made for the mid-June release for the Not Too Shabby Shop. I also put up a tutorial video on the 17th over on the Not Too Shabby Shop channel, so I'm going to put that link above in the cards and below in the description box, and so I'm just going to show you what I did. And yeah, so hopefully you like, subscribe, share, and play along. Go to the shop, check it out, you'll love it. And oh my gosh, oh my gosh, y'all, you need to save your pennies. You need to save some pennies and put it aside to buy what's coming later. You do. All right, so let me go ahead and show you. I already did a sneak peek of the mid-release. So it has these dots for summer. It has this stamp set, Be Salty. Now I didn't use this part of the stamp set. I did use the Let's Chill thing in the sentiment. And then we had some of these little elephants that are beach babes. Now I've got one covered up because my extras are in there. But look how cute! And you know I love elephants if you've been on my channel. So there you go. You can see that I used... This is how cute this was to me. This is probably like 7 or 8 extra pieces, and I used 5 on my project. So you know I was coloring. And then of course I had to pull out this Burniston die set, the picnic elements, because yeah, it's cute. You know it is. So I used this in the lemonade. I had a drink, but I can't find it. I put it together and they couldn't find it, so I didn't use it. But anyway, let's get to showing you what I did. And like I said, I will put the link to the tutorial that I put up on there. So here is the cute, adorable card. The little elephant. It says, be salty, have fun. And some little ants from, oh, I forgot I did use the ants from that. So if you look right here, the teeny tiny ants. So don't forget, that's one thing I keep saying over and over again. Don't forget that you can mix and match stuff that you have, and you can make so many things with it. So it's got a little belly band, and take that off. Now you can decorate this up more if you wanted to on the front, but since I had this here, there really was no point. I used cardstock base. I got some glue on it. Use a cardstock base from Crafter's Companion. And then it is a corner pop-up card. So when you open it, bam! How cute is that? So you got your little picnic piece here. Little picnic blanket. And the little ants. They're sitting at the beach. So, yes. They're sitting at the beach. I used some torn paper and colored the little elephants up. And they're just chilling. He's got his little ice cream cone. He's got his little goggles on like he's going to go dipping in the sea. Another one with the ice cream. And then they have their little lemonade right there. And then up here, I was going to color it, ink it up and make it yellow for like the sun. But I was like, nah, we'll just go with it the way it is. So there it is. So cute. How cute is that? And so it'll just sit up on your desk or your table or something like that. Now, Sam Colcott, she designs, oh my gosh, Made to Surprise dies. She had a tip where if you take a piece of Velcro and stick it on here and here, when you open it and press it down, it'll make the bottom stay flat. I thought that was such a good idea. So there's that. And then all you have to do is put it like this, and there you go. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll definitely put that link to the tutorial and go check it out. And I shall see you guys later. Don't forget, like I said, you want to save your pennies. Save your pennies. Save them. All right, see you guys. Bye.